On our menu today is lachs fish recipe, and this is how I prepare this crispy, delicious, and yummy fish. So I started by cleaning up the fish, and you're just going to use your knife to scrape all the scales. And after you are done scraping the scales, you get your lemon or your vinegar. I used it to scrub the back until all those slippery parts are gone. And if today is your first time of coming across my channel, you're highly welcome. And if you have not subscribed, please do subscribe to my channel. You're going to get notification whenever I post a new video or when I come on live stream. Thank you very much, and also don't forget to leave me comment, share my video, and join my community. Thank you very much, and let's continue preparing. After that, I went in to wash off the slippery parts, and you're going to wash and wash until your fish is well clean to your taste. I also used the vinegar to clean this, as you can see how clean the fish is. You cut the fish to your taste. I try to debone the fish a little for the sake of my children, and after that you're going to marinate this. Just watch to see all what you need to marinate this fish. It doesn't require too much spice, and you are going to come out with more delicious and yummy fish. So this is done cutting, and here are all what I use in marinating. This is soya sauce, and this is white vinegar and black pepper. Then a little bit of salt to taste, and pepper flakes. Then come the garlic, and you are also going to add some ginger, grate some ginger inside the liquid, and after that mix all together to be well combined, and don't forget your smoked paprika powder. Add and mix all well. Sometimes I test my mixture to see how my meat or fish is going to taste. Then after that, you're going to coat the fish with the mixture and allow this to marinate for at least 30 minutes. 5 minutes later, I added like a tablespoon of olive oil and transferred the fish inside the frying pan and fried this in a low heat. Few minutes later, you are going to turn this, carefully turn it, flip it up the other side to also cook. And here it is all strong, and you can easily turn the fish without it breaking. And this is the remaining sauce from what I used to marinate the fish. Add this and allow it to cook. Just cover or allow it to fry for some minutes and your fish is done. It doesn't take time to cook. Within 20 to 25 minutes, you're done preparing this. And serve your fish with whatever you want to enjoy with it. And this is a nice fish to go with if you are on a weight loss journey. And that is it. Do you like this? What you're saying? Leave me comments below and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and I will see you in my next one. Thank you very much for watching and have a beautiful season celebration. Compliment of the season to you all.